It fosters transparency. Okay, like we all want to be honest and transparent. It helps with alignment, so everybody's on the same page. Okay, and it also helps with engagement. Like you want them to be engaged. So even if you're hiring like independent contractors, okay, I think there's elements of this that you could be sharing with them because you do want them to be engaged in your business and not just like, you know, when they get around to it. Okay, so here's what I think you should consider sharing. Okay, I think you should consider kind of like your overall organizational objectives and direction for the year. Like, what's the direction we're heading in? What would we love our business to look like by the end of the year? Okay, so I think that's the big picture-y things. I think that in terms of numbers, you don't necessarily have to share your revenue goals or numbers. Okay, I think that's like probably for most of us, that's a little too deep. Okay, but the numbers I do think you can share are what are your like KPIs? What are your key performance indicators? What are you like, what is a number to know like we're doing well if,